And Lauren, the winds aren't too bad right now, but tomorrow a whole different story.
Yes, tomorrow we have a bigger system that's going to move through, so that really whips up the wind. It is gusty out on the eastern plains and western Colorado right now, but otherwise it's just breezy right now for the rest of us. So what we're watching here in the First Alert Weather Center is that wind on Tuesday. Very strong. We have the chance for some severe storms in some areas on Tuesday as well. And then this is going to be the big talker too, the blast of cooler weather coming our way. Again, we're not heading for the 50s. We're not looking at snow chances, but it might be, light sweatshirt weather coming our way. Taking a look at our satellite and radar right now, it is southern Colorado getting the bulk of the moisture. There's a little bit moving into Garfield and Rio Blanco counties and starting to move into our central mountains, and we are seeing thicker clouds here across the Front Range out east. Still fairly sunny. So again, as we zoom on in, there's also been a little bit of snow in some of those San Juans, but there is that heavier rainfall moving through parts of the San Luis Valley and now making their way a bit more to the north. Taking a look at our severe weather outlook for today, it's really out on the western side of the state with the threat of the bigger storms that will change tomorrow to the eastern side of the state. Could see some hail and some strong wind from those storms. So future cast for tonight, we just continue to see another wave of moisture move through. So we will see the possibility of rain in Denver later on today. Heavy rain in the high country, then keep shooting out to the eastern plains. And then even overnight, we continue to see scattered storms in the high country and heavy rain possible even tomorrow morning on the western side of the state. And then that continues to move into the high country throughout the afternoon. And we could even see a little bit more snow down in those San Juans. And then we'll still see sunshine for the Front Range and eastern plains throughout most of the day, increasing cloud cover and windy conditions. And then we see that rain move our direction as we head into the afternoon. So it may not be until about 3-4 o'clock that we're looking at the chance of rain here in Denver. Heavy rain in the high country, and then those storms shoot out to the eastern plains where a long line of storms could produce some very, very strong winds. So let's take a look at what's happening right now. 81 in Denver, 81 in Greeley, 80s, 90s out east, 60s in the high country. And today we're looking at a high of 85 in Denver, 88 in Greeley, still plenty of 90s out east, low to mid 60s in the high country and across the Front Range, 86 in Windsor and Firestone and Brighton, 84 in Aurora, 82 in Centennial. And as we zoom on into the rest of Adams County, 86 in Henderson, 84 in Thornton and Eastlake. And as we zoom on into the Berkeley neighborhood, we are looking at 84 degrees, mild temperatures, again with a chance of some afternoon thunderstorms. And tomorrow we're still in the mid 80s for the Front Range and most of eastern Colorado, 60s in the high country. So our threat for severe weather tomorrow is why we have a first alert weather day. After that, though, we are calm and mild on Wednesday and Thursday. And then, Michelle, check this out. 76 on Friday, 71 on Saturday. We will see isolated chances for rain, and then into next week, low to mid 70s.
Okay, that's a big difference. It is. All right, Lauren, thank you.